Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. I'm super pumped because I have something amazing for you today. If you like playing your Sky Roller game, you will be super excited because of this, because I have the only working Sky Roller hack that will allow you to get some free gems. Now again, this is the only working Sky Roller hack that you will be able to get for your Android or iOS device. Now, let me show you how it's done. It's done through a separate app called Sky Roller Plus Plus, and all you need to do is enter the amount of gems you would like to get. For example, I will enter 999, 999, and I will press send. I will go to my original Sky Roller app and I will wait for the gems to load. Now I can see the gems loading now. Boom, guys. Now you can do this as many times as you would like, and I want to show you how you can get this app so you can get some free gems for your Sky Roller app. Okay, so the first thing I will need you to take if you're an Android user, I will need you to switch off your battery saver mode. So make sure it's switched off. If you're an iOS user, I will need you to go to settings, then general, then background app refresh, and make sure it's switched on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Okay, now guys, let's go to the second step. The second step is to go to our browser. Now any browser will do, but I will be using my Safari browser here. So let's just enter it and go to a website called Tweak Elite, tweakelite.com. Now tweakelite.com is a website full of tweaked apps, game hacks, plus apps that you can get all for free. So let's just search for Sky Roller Plus and you can see it here. Now guys, you can see that many people have downloaded the app and that they all rated it with 5 stars, and that you can get it for both Android and iOS devices. Now we know that this app is legit, so let's just press download now and the downloading process will begin. Now the only step we will be left with is to verify our device version. Now why do we need to do that? Well, because they'll need to know the exact iOS or Android version we are using so they can prepare the best version of the app or hack for us. Now we will be redirected to another website where our app is ready to be injected. Now on this website, you can see it looks like this. On this website, we need to download 3 different apps from this huge list here and complete the steps listed down below. For example, for Coin Master, you need to install the game and you need to complete Village 3, or for Public, you need to install, open and submit application. For Social Calendar, you need to install, sign up and add an event. Okay, so let's just tap on the app, tap to install, and we will be redirected to our official App Store or Google Play Store. Now I have to mention that all of these apps are free to download and they're from official publishers. Now let it just load here and you can see it here. So the app is free to download and it's from an official publisher, so you don't have to worry about anything. So make sure you download, as I said, 3 different apps. Make sure to complete the steps that are listed down below the apps. After you're done with that, you can restart your device. After restarting, you will be able to see your Sky Roller Plus app on your phone. Now, if you can't see the app on your phone by any chance, make sure you complete all the steps again. Then, in the verification process, make sure you download 3 different apps. For example, in the first try, you downloaded this one, and this one. In the second try, make sure you download this one, and this one. Okay, make sure to complete all the steps mentioned down below, restart your device, and you'll be able to see the Sky Roller Plus app on your phone. Now, I hope that you guys are enjoying this hack. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you had any problems with the app. Make sure to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!